Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaica, and you know that I am your lady Tania. And guys, today I am visiting Mr. Williams aka Caveman.
Sure.
Hold on, so answer bite me. I am visiting Mr. Williams aka Caveman, and guys, you know, everyone has been asking what happened to Mr. Williams, what happened. Now he's actually giving us a tour of his farm, so guys, just enjoy this episode. All right. Hello. I not see you. Look here, you not go out of the house. Eh?
They don't say I stay at night time.
So you not stay there night time? Oh, I can't check up on you because everybody is saying what happened to you. So you look young, how are you going?
Time they for me, you know.
Oh. What you need now?
Some cash.
Yeah, man.
Because me love chat Jamaican, me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
These are the sorrel. Oh, so they were planted recently?
Yeah.
So when they will be ready?
Yeah, December.
For December?
Yeah.
So all of this here says a sorrel field.
We plant two and choose them a grow.
So I go all the way down that side?
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, we're in Mr. Williams' farm and he's just giving me a tour as to what has been happening, how hard he has been working.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're doing a checking up on him,
Yes.
just to ensure that, you know, he's fine and all of that. So he's going to continue to give me the tour. That flower down there with the red on it, is the same sorrel?
No, flowers.
Oh,
Them place they say host it there, so you know. The burn down the right, so you know.
is it there the soldiers were buried?
Right.
Oh, okay, you hear about the soldiers them were buried?
Place your house.
Yeah, man, there were some soldiers that used to be in this area. The British, think of the British soldiers.
They will have a estate to the right down the side.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you live near to the ground, the burial ground.
Yeah, right. They say, all of the birthday tree they go back come out.
Go all the way around. So that's where they were buried.
A tractor then take and shoot them.
Yeah, that's what I heard, that they use a tractor to get rid of the graves and to cover them.
Yes.
But that was allowed?
Is, I don't
That was
know.
way back in the days though.
Yeah. Right
Yeah.
now about two tombs there right now.
Two of them showing. Yeah, follow me go over there.
Yeah.
So guys, what I'm doing, I'm going to try and look at where these British soldiers were buried in the way back. I don't know the time, date or nothing like that, but it's a story that we have heard about some time ago. So there was a burial ground over this side where a lot of soldiers were buried. British soldiers, Jamaican soldiers. So you're sure no hole over yourself for me dropping? Oh.
First time they were involved.
Oh, this is one of them.
Oh.
Oh.
And one.
Man.
What you then cut down? Alright, now show it. Stand up here then.
Yeah, I always heard about them, you know.
Alright, look cross that for now.
Oh, let me try and come over there. Yes. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this one is not covered.
Push out the top. So the camera
So you never see them before? You never see none of them at night time? Ah?
No, no man, no.
So you're not afraid?
Afraid of man.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't hear pin drop here at night time.
Oh.
What is that stone like on the top there, sir? Is that stone
Like a pyramid?
or up here?
Oh, it's a
I
stone.
know the name must be. I know father me there right through now.
You don't know the history behind this burial ground that we're standing on?
No. Yeah, you know Pat?
Come up?
Yeah. Well, I think come I can take off all the headstone. They may out estate there, you know. You see when them pack up the whole boiler, the whole time boiler them on.
Yeah.
So you know, I see headstone them there too.
Okay, so they took up all the headstone over off of all the graves.
You know. Pure ivory.
Pure ivory?
So what is that?
Well, I'm more limestone, because ivory has some white.
Yeah. When you look upon them and just a glisten.
Oh, yeah, that type of limestone.
Yeah, so actually this is where it is.
Yeah.
Always heard about it.
You grew up on the grave then.
Burial ground, yes. Okay.
Well,
So
estate land have a lot of graves and
yes.
slave everybody.
But yeah.
Last slave was buried in the ground.
Yeah, so you saw them bury on some big man them say.
Yeah, the soldiers and the what you call the
In command and
what used to run the estate. What them did name again?
like bush.
Yeah, the
Back command.
The back of the bury yourself, the back of that one bury now.
Yeah.
Near the great house.
oh.
What is
But
that
you know,
great
one
house?
day I grew up on the guest house up when you go to the cash corner. I wind up grew up there too, you know.
You know there's a great house, so you go.
Yeah.
Near the One Eye River.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then, so we will go over your ground. This is surprising. So the whole of here so used to be the where they're buried.
Well, that's a cemetery, no?
Yes, a cemetery, but they covered them.
Hold on, yo.
To the other one here. Okay. But I'm also stone may I walk on here so. More must be there.
Some of them pack with stone and some.
Yeah. So the bamboo grew up on them. Okay.
Kabama grass, we're doing it. I always love look up there. Them man are nice, you know. You get used to this game, man. You never see it. Yeah.
Have a lovely view.
Yeah, man, I love it. The cliff. Come on, you've got a house on the top of that.
Just step and lift.
I'm going to push it forward like this, no?
Step and push.
Yeah, so that in case anything sharp, it'll go to your shoes.
Wow.
That ain't what you mash it. Nice, you ban cane. Oh, no, you're cane either. Your hand looks like the earth, yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, your finger.
Yeah, man. They get crushed in a motor vehicle when I'm young, then about 19.
Okay. Oh, so you have pumpkin.
Dasheen I am.
Where the dasheen there?
See the right
Oh, they're on the inside.
Yes.
What kind of yam you have here?
Yellow yam and white apple.
A white apple
Hold
yam.
on, that's in this.
Yeah.
This is the dasheen. So the big broadleaf down there so is the cocoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the cocoa bigger than that sheen.
Yeah.
What?
You leave them bigger, but the dasheen bigger.
Yeah, that mess.
What? The cocoa leaf?
Yeah, it's bigger, but that's in fruit.
Oh.
So it's reverse.
And then this is
Cassava.
cassava. But how you know when to dig the cassava though?
No, this a bitter one.
So what the difference between the bitter cassava and the sweet
This
cassava?
one now, you have to scrape it, grate it, put it a press. But the sweet one, no, you just dig it up, peel it and put it inside that pot.
Oh.
Show me the difference. Oh, you know the difference between this bitter and the sweet.
No. See this?
Oh, the leaf.
The leaf.
What the sweet one look?
Alright, when you go this one, you will see the sweet one.
Alright.
Oh, so you walk with one leaf?
Yeah, we'll break that.
Yeah. But you have
Okay.
to be very cute to know them.
So the bitter one.
Yeah.
This is the bitter
Yeah,
one.
this is the bitter one.
So Because we want to find out. 'Cause I'm always curious.
With the bitter and the sweet,
Yeah.
don't it?
Oh, yeah.
This is bitter one, see over here. Look
Yeah.
funny.
Oh, maybe it's the shape of the leaf.
But this one darker.
Yeah.
1, 2,
How are
3,
this
4,
okra?
5, 6,
Yeah,
7.
yeah, okra them there.
So okra looks so.
Then dry out.
Enjoy it now, them are no good.
Hold them.
Oh,
So we have, hold on, let's check leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 leaf.
Alright,
Then
see?
suppose all of them now have 7.
See the sweet one before you don't know where you go to there now.
But it look the same.
Well, I'm not sure say you.
Come teach me something. Come make me get smart like you.
Yeah.
This is a sweet one?
It's smaller.
1, 2,
What's the
3, 4,
difference?
5 leaf. No, but that's 7. So 1,
Yeah.
5, 6.
This is a sweet one.
How you know the difference?
Now you see, you look at the leaf, you know. You look at the
But the
leaf.
leaf look the same.
Yeah, but you have to know it. That's why you can't send a man to come drive because we drive the bitter one.
So
You
how
will
you,
draw the bitter one.
so how you know it? How you know it?
How you know the difference?
You plant them separate.
Oh, so you can't tell I leave them.
Yeah. See, so you make sure when you plant them, see, you plant the bitter one to itself. And you plant the sweet one to itself. So anytime you come, you know, say, whole has to go right back at
Sweet. Then suppose you made a mistake while planting.
So again, a pure bitter come right across. So.
Oh.
Sometimes it can change from sweet to bitter.
That's St. Catherine. You don't have no bitter cassava St. Catherine because of the sun.
Oh, so you can't grow on it.
Yeah. You cut the bitter one and plant it on sweet.
Okay.
So how people find out that them
Yeah, then
they
find
feed them
out.
dog first.
Yeah, no, they eat it. Then find out.
Test
then
it
test
out.
And find out.
What the bitter one can do to the body?
Bitter one? No, it will poison you.
Oh, it will poison you.
It poison
Instant
you.
death.
Instant
Oh,
death.
so this
Instant
is the
death.
sweet
Yeah,
one
this is the
and
sweet
that one is the bitter
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how they use most of the bami.
So this would have be bitter as well.
No, not pure sweet.
It's a
That's
sweet.
all.
Oh, sweet. Sorry.
Yeah, pure
Sorry.
sweet. A pure sweet for me.
So when you bitter down, you grate it a bit bami.
The bitter one, now you have to grate it.
To make the bami and then the sweet one you just eat it from the pot.
This one, now you just peel it, wash it off and put it in the pot.
Okay. And then you cook is which one? The sweet one. You cook it a lot.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Nice when you cook, you know, them those bust up, you know.
So this is the dasheen.
No, that is the dashing. Bado them, yeah.
Oh, bado.
No, cocoa, I mean.
Oh, cocoa. This is a cocoa.
This is the cocoa. Yeah, man, you have some bado sucker around them, man.
Oh.
Yeah, we take them out, come plant them. Yeah, man, a good amount of sucker
Leave
there.
it on the step around the house.
Bado?
Yeah.
Bado, cocoa and dasheen. I don't even know the difference.
But it's like dashi was a
Something
big,
like
it's
dashi.
longer, it's a bigger.
Oh.
But it's out of the, all of them is the best eating one.
Get a hard piece of breeze on there, man. All I plant them cook.
Oh, the breeze blow them down. Me see it on the news, you know.
What I realize is only certain, it's like Tania, there's only certain places affected.
And Tania though, man. Tania though.
Because you find out that a house of years right not affected and one of is affected, right?
So I blow down the plants.
Yeah.
But you can't avoid that.
Because there's a lot of banana trees in my yard and none of them are affected.
Okay. So what is this now? This is
Corn and gungo.
corn.
See gungo a grow down a root.
And cocoa.
And then the gungo gone ready for December.
Yeah, why listen, my gungo done ready.
Oh, it's the corn come before.
Gungo
Come
nice.
before.
What you use and keep all the ants off of the corn?
Hans?
Mm.
I use the hashes.
The hashes in the pot, in the fire.
Yeah, the hashes. Take it and sprinkle them and you get them off.
Just in natural
Just
hashes.
natural hashes.
You didn't know that?
We use ants powder.
Yeah, or if you can't get the hands for you use the hands for.
Well, caveman things them organic. Can you notice when you use
Ashes, yeah.
the ashes, which is better.
Yeah, cause,
The ants powder no chemical.
yeah, man.
Yeah, chemical, yeah.
Because ants love corn now.
Yeah.
And then you have sweet potato here.
Yeah. When you rain and fall, you know the hands, you know, too trouble and most dry time.
Okay.
So once the time dry, that's when the ants them come over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes. No, right down to the banana tree.
What kind of pepper is this? Scotch bonnet?
Scotch
Already hot pepper.
hot pepper, them see how, yeah.
But I read these.
Yeah, they do.
Scotch bonnet look like a copper sauce.
Yeah, man. Ginger roast pepper that in the hot.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And a bird pepper this. Same thing?
Yeah, I
This
see
is
one.
what I want different type.
Mm-hmm. So these are the dasheen.
Cocoa.
Cocoa.
So
The big one is the cocoa.
I want to pure
Small and
cocoa
dashy.
then I look for.
So we pass the dashi up here, so.
Yeah.
these are the
Yeah,
cocoa.
so when you see them this big is the cocoa.
Okay. So how you feel like as a farmer now? Because there's so much you know, that means that you know your thing.
Lady, let's go and get up at the time and plant something, you know, because no better now than I can't sit down.
Yeah, so you have to work.
Yeah, because I have to work to survive.
Yes.
Nothing is promised.
And what little you get, just go on with it.
Go on with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know pumpkin, because I have pumpkin tree, you know, so then just come up there.
Pumpkin.
Or for the root are different.
Is that you can more? Alright.
Oh, where's the pumpkin?
Yeah, so come up, you know.
Oh, they're all the way over.
Yeah, man, now the next couple months, I shall come
Pumpkin and corn. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And time you come back here, you know, I want to just clean up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm clean up, man. Clean up and plant up.
Caveman, them breadfruit, the yellow heart breadfruit?
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, breadfruit, then call them banja breadfruit.
Or then eat.
Then it plenty of St. Thomas now, long.
Where you say that breadfruit
Banja
name?
breadfruit.
Okay.
So them call it, you know, them very long.
But how they eat?
Them it refined.
Nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, man, you have to go search out
Banja breadfruit.
a big tree root up. You
The-
know,
the-
the big tree root up.
And I see him as a yellow heart.
Yeah, man, yellow. And
Oh, I
it is
hit at the yellow heart.
Yeah, yellow heart. One that you have a white one and you have a
Alright, well that's the one I want.
Yeah.
Because when we realize now, breadfruit, when you plant breadfruit, you have to have like a drum of water
Yeah.
with a drip.
Water.
So
So-
what
you
are the
drip.
breadfruit?
Yeah, it's a
So
drip.
how long one breadfruit tree take to grow?
It takes a little time, but you see in the young stage, before you reach that stage like that,
Time you reach certain size,
you
that
have,
was growing,
right,
growing.
you have to keep like a drip and it continuously to
Now when
reach
you
that.
plant that, you know, one little sucker, and dig up a big tree. And can come plant it. So.
But you can survive on that rock?
Yes, man, then how are you, sir, man?
At a minute see the breadfruit one. Oh, this tree right over here.
Yeah.
And in between the rock and plant.
Right there in front of us.
Yeah, in between the rock and plant.
Oh, it's in between,
Yeah,
okay.
in between the rock.
So it will survive.
Look how pretty.
It might come up, man. Nice breadfruit tree.
Goodbye to everyone. Happy birthday and happy living and everything.
Birthday and living and
Yes, yes.
anniversary.
Anniversary and
Everything that
to
is
everyone.
happening
Yes,
out there.
Yes. In
Yes.
the years, me not too know what go on more than so. If I
Yes.
want not to tell me where I go on, I'm a listener radio and think me not to know what they give.
Yeah,
God
but you
thanks
have
everything.
radio that you can
Okay,
hear.
Okay.
Alright, so that is the
Okay.
greatest
Yeah,
thing.
that
So
is the greatest thing, you know.
you know,
Long as God give me some breath and health.
you are fine.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Alright. Yes.
I'll talk with you. I'll
Okay.
keep in touch. So now me know you not get the
Okay.
phone fixed.
No, so me send me give somebody who go fix it.
And then I get it fixed.
No.
Maybe me just have to go get on the next one. Alright, so me work on getting a new one, you hear? Alright, so bye.
Yes.
Alright.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of